Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, I will show how to generate schema markup by Rank Math. It is free, but it is very important for your website. Dashboard. From dashboard, we go to our post, all post. Click edit. Rank Math SEO. Click here and then general advanced rank schema markup. Click here. Schema. It is article. Click here. Article, headline, description, and keyword. Then we go to post and view post. Copy this headline and paste it here and then keep it here, its description. And then keyword. This is our keyword. This is our keywords. Save. Then if we change by rank math, go to rank math and schema markup, dashboard of rank math. Schema structure data. This setting is on and go to setting. Post type, schema type, article. If we change article, book, course, everything we can change it according to our website. We will keep it article. Again we generate click here this rank math sign, click here and then go to schema. Schema article. Click here and then keep it our title and then keep it description and keywords. Our title is article type, article, then save for this post. We can use this description more as you need. Then save for this post. Then save here. Save. How we can generate schema markup free by rank math. It is very important for SEO. Bye bye. See you next.